person that will have the 12 in the race. That is our HBPA contestant, Keith, who is down here on the set. Thrilled to meet Jim.
Full of energy.
Full of energy for sure, and a new coat. Nice coat.
I just bought the coat, yeah.
But you can do that now that you have so much money, right?
Yeah, I've now only got $500 left. I just got this over there. It's fantastic.
All right, so you like the 12, but you also, we were watching the screen when we met Jim, and you like the one. How come?
Well, you know what? I have to tell you about the one, Natalie. It has a fantastic backside, and that's for me. That's how, you know, when I was talking to Jim, he said to go with my gut. I know how to massage, the information that I'm getting. That aside, for me, it's all about the backside. I love the backside. I'm going with number one.
All right, so we got some money on the 1, you got some money on the 12. You made a wager with Jim's ticket also, so you're looking good all over the place.
Yeah, you know what? I think I'm well covered there, Natalie. I think after this, we should get a wee bit of money, put everything together, have a wee drink. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt.
I hope so. All right, the gate's loaded. We're going to watch the race and see how much money you make.
Yes, we are. Let's get in. Come on.
Good luck to Keith, my HBPA contestant.
I know Bob's your uncle, but I didn't know Freddie was your aunt.
Gotta keep up, you know? Gotta keep up.